Hi, I'm Robert. Today on Ask Us, we'll answer the question, what is a blockchain? Here's the definition. A blockchain is a growing list of digital records that are linked using cryptography. Each block contains three elements: the cryptographic hash, a timestamp, and the transaction data. What is a blockchain really? Why the term blockchain? At its most basic level, a blockchain is literally just a chain of blocks, but not in the traditional sense of the words, of course. When we say the words block and chain in this context, we are actually talking about digital information, the block, stored in a public database, the chain. Okay, let's look at the definition from a practical perspective. Here's how the authors of the book Blockchain Revolution define it. The blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions, but virtually everything of value. And let's expand on that so we see the broader picture. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed, and public digital ledger that is used to record transactions across many computers so that any involved record cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. Now, this allows the participants to verify and audit transactions independently and relatively inexpensively. A blockchain database is managed autonomously using a peer-to-peer network and a distributed timestamping server. The use of a blockchain removes the characteristic of infinite reproducibility from a digital asset. It confirms that each unit of value was transferred only once, solving the long-standing problem of double spending. A blockchain can also maintain title rights because, when properly set up to detail the exchange agreement, it provides a record that compels offer and acceptance. What comprises the blocks? Blocks on the blockchain are made up of digital pieces of information. Specifically, there are three parts. Blocks store information about transactions, for example, the date, time, and dollar amount of an online purchase. Second, blocks store information about who is participating in each transaction. And third, each block stores information that distinguishes it from the other blocks. So, how does blockchain work? When a block stores new data, it is added to the blockchain. In order for a block to be added to the blockchain, however, four things must happen. 1, a transaction must occur. 2, that transaction must be verified. 3, that transaction must be stored in a block. And 4, that block must be given a hash, a unique identifying code. When that new block is added to the blockchain, it becomes publicly available for anyone to view, even you. If you take a look at Bitcoin's blockchain, you will see that you have access to transaction data along with information about when, where, and by who the block was added to the blockchain. So where can a blockchain be used? Given these attributes and characteristics, blockchain technology is predicted to affect any digital area where protection and security are a fundamental need. Some examples: intellectual property, identity management, smart contracts, file storage, data management, even stock trading. Others include the sharing economy, crowdfunding, supply chain auditing, prediction markets, and many more. So, if any of these areas are relevant to your business, I suggest you take a closer look at blockchains and how they may be a tool to increase the security of your business transactions, whatever they may be. Okay, that's an overview of what blockchains are and where it is going. Join me next time on Ask Us when we will cover another technology question. And if you have a question you'd like us to answer, email us at questions@askus.tech or scan the code. Bye!